are the Art and Molly yellow gold 14 karat solitaire round cubic zirconia stud earrings. These are the 4 millimeters. So I wanted them small for my teen because we can't wear big earrings to school. So these come in just about the right size. These are the 4 millimeter. And when I open the box, the stone definitely is very shiny, cubic zirconia, very shiny, caught the light like a diamond, like brilliance. And I like the gold prong setting. She has sterling silver diamonds, but we wanted a gold diamond. These are very petite, yet noticeable, and they're going to be right for daily wear. What I liked about these, the brilliant shine, the cubic zirconian stones do really sparkle. Let's back that up a little bit. Do really sparkle, and without getting too much attention. So I really do like these. I like the fact that they're solid 14 karat gold posts and the butterfly backing, which is nice, comfortable for all day wear. I like the 4-prong basket setting, the way that it's set in here, 4 prongs, and keeps the stones perfectly secured and positioned on the lobe. But I like the 4 millimeter size. It's a sweet spot. Big enough to glimmer, small enough to stay elegant in those teen ears. And these can easily pass as fine jewelry. They're very versatile for both casual looks and more polished outfits. These are the type of earrings that you can basically wear daily, gift with confidence, and really never worry about them going out of style. Highly recommend this Art and Molly 14 karat yellow gold solitaire round cubic zirconia stud earrings. Highly recommend.